If you've been involved in a car accident and you're making a claim against the driver who injured you, I'm going to give you 3 tips that will increase the value of your case probably by 50%. And so if you're new to this channel, my name is Darren Woodfork. I'm an attorney here in Scottsdale, Arizona. And in this video, I'm going to talk about 3 ways you can help your personal injury case. And like I said, you can increase the value of these cases, probably, like I said, about 50%. You'll get 50% more than you would if you don't do these things. And here they are. The number one thing you can do is when you are injured in a car accident is to seek medical treatment as soon as possible. I mean, obviously, if you're hurt really bad, you're going to be going to the hospital, and then you're going to go to your doctor, then some type of physical therapy. But if you're not like hurt that bad and you don't have to go to the hospital and all that, if you go just seek like physical therapy care or chiropractic care, if you wait until 2 weeks after the accident, then your case is not going to be as valuable because the insurance company is just basically going to argue, if you were hurt so bad, why did you wait 2 weeks for your first doctor's appointment? That's one of the reasons why your case will be valued low when you don't seek immediate treatment. The second thing is consistent and frequent treatment. Basically, if you have your accident and you go to the chiropractor and you start going to the doctor, 3 times a week, while you're hurting, but then as time goes on, you stop going, every other day and you go once a week or you go once every 2 weeks. The biggest space in between those treatments, that's going to hurt your case in the end. And basically what the insurance company looks at is they look at, again, kind of like if you're hurt as bad as you say you are, you're going to go to the doctor every day or every other day, and you're not going to miss any treatments or anything like that. And if you do, therefore you're not hurt. Basically, that's the insurance company argument. But it always happens in my cases where my clients, they have to go to work or they have to take the kids to school or they have to do other things in life. And so they can't basically go to the doctor, the chiropractor every other day for 4 months. And so basically they say, well, we have other things. And so that's what we're always kind of balancing between, getting on with your life versus seeking medical care every other day. What we do from our end of it is we basically argue that, you had to go to work at some point in time and you went to work in pain and you suffered through the day and all of that. So that's how we fight for you in that sense. And then the third way is how the insurance company, and this really, you can't really help, but the third way that the insurance company is going to value your case is based on what the car damage looks like. And that's not really like scientific, or that's not really, the medical stuff. That's just basically kind of not common sense, but kind of what you would think, basically, in that if the accident was really bad and you're hurt really bad, the car damage is going to correspond to that. The car damage is going to look really bad also. And so, again, it's not scientific and it's really not one-to-one because, you talk to any doctor, chiropractor, anybody like that, they can tell you that you can be really hurt and the car damage doesn't look that bad, but the way your body would react to the blow, to the force. And so it's not, again, it's not scientific, but if the pictures look really bad about the car accident, that's going to help your case just off the beginning. So those are the 3 ways that the insurance company will value your case, almost double what you would get before, is that if they see you sought immediate medical treatment, 2, you went to medical treatments consistently and frequently and you didn't miss any treatments, and then 3, the property damage of the car or the vehicles at the scene of the accident, it looks really bad. And that will help your case because they know, like I said, if you go all the way out to the future, if you're in front of a jury, the jury's going to have those pictures of that mangled vehicle, blown up in court, and it's going to be very persuasive. So that's kind of why, if there's a lot of damages, the pictures of the damage will make the insurance company pay you a lot more than they would if there's no damage. But again, that's like I said, what the doctors say, in how the doctors address that also if there's no damage. Anyways, hope that helps. If you've been involved in a car accident, you know anybody who's been involved in a car accident, please get in touch with my law firm. You can reach me at 602-284-3035, or you can email me at derronw, that's DERRONW at msn.com. I'd be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel. Thanks.